Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, waves crashing below, wind screaming in your ears, and you have exactly one chance to capture the moment. You press record. But here's the question nobody asks until it's too late. Which camera are you trusting with that moment? Because in 2025, the action camera war isn't just about specs anymore. It's about reliability. It's about trust. It's about which camera survives when everything goes wrong. Today, we're putting DJI Osmo Action 6 head-to-head with GoPro Hero 13, not in a boring spec sheet battle, but in real-world storytelling, real use cases, real creator psychology, and real decisions that affect your money, your content, and your future as a creator. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves to be in your hands and which one doesn't. Most people think action cameras are all the same. They're not. Some cameras are built for marketing. Others are built for creators. The difference? You don't notice it on day one. You notice it after months of filming. Let's start with something nobody talks about. The feeling of turning the camera on. When you power up the GoPro Hero 13, there's familiarity. GoPro has trained your brain for over a decade. It feels safe. It feels like the default choice. But that safety can be deceptive, because familiarity doesn't always mean progress. DJI Osmo Action 6, on the other hand, feels different. Not flashy, not loud, confident. It doesn't try to impress you in the first 5 seconds. The best way. It just works. No drama. No guessing. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Brand perception. GoPro still owns the mind share. People recognize it. Audiences trust it. But creators don't grow on logos. They grow on consistency. And consistency favors DJI right now. For faceless YouTube creators targeting a USA audience, what matters most is output quality over time. Not hype, not trends, results. GoPro Hero 13 is for creators who want cinematic punch and brand legacy. DJI Osmo Action 6 is for creators who want stability, control, and fewer headaches. Now here's the part nobody tells you. The best camera is the one that lets you forget about the camera. And in that category, DJI wins. But here's the twist. If you're an adrenaline junkie, extreme sports creator, or someone who thrives on high-impact visuals, GoPro Hero 13 still hits harder. If you're a travel storyteller, faceless YouTuber, documentary-style creator, or daily uploader, Osmo Action 6 quietly destroys. So the real question isn't which camera is better. The question is, which camera matches the future you're building? Because cameras don't just record footage. They shape habits. They influence consistency. They decide whether you upload or procrastinate. Choose wisely. And now that you know the truth most reviews won't tell you, the decision is no longer confusing. It's personal. And whichever one you choose, use it relentlessly. Because the best camera in the world is useless if it's not recording, that let's slow down for a moment. Because most people rush this decision and regret it later. They watch a few comparison videos. They glance at specs. They listen to whoever sounds confident. But confidence on YouTube doesn't always equal truth. Here's the truth. Action cameras don't fail on paper. They fail in moments. Moments when your hands are shaking. Moments when the weather turns against you. Moments when you don't get a second take. And this is where the difference between DJI Osmo Action 6 and GoPro Hero 13 becomes impossible to ignore. Let's talk about user behavior. GoPro users often film shorter clips. They stop. They check. They adjust. DJI users film longer. They trust. They move forward. That single behavioral difference compounds over time. More footage means more options. More options mean better storytelling. Better storytelling means higher retention, and higher retention is the currency of YouTube. Now imagine you're editing. You drop your clips into the timeline. GoPro footage looks punchy, high contrast, sharp, but sometimes too sharp. DJI footage looks balanced, natural, flexible, and flexibility in post-production is power, because faceless channels live or die in the edit. Color grading, speed ramps, sound design. DJI footage bends. GoPro footage resists. That resistance costs time. Now let's talk about something most reviewers are afraid to admit. Learning curve. GoPro has features stacked on top of features. Menus inside menus. Settings buried deep. DJI keeps it clean, minimal, intuitive. And when you're creating consistently, mental energy matters. You don't want to fight your camera. You want it to disappear. Now here's a psychological truth. When gear frustrates you, you film less. When filming feels easy, you create more. And creators who create more always win in the long run. Let's talk about heat, dust, rain, and abuse. GoPro Hero 13 is tough, no question. But toughness doesn't always mean stability. DJI Osmo Action 6 feels engineered, not just armored. Seals feel tighter. Buttons feel deliberate. Touch response stays accurate even when conditions are bad. These things don't show up in spec sheets. They show up after 6 months of use. Now imagine this scenario. You're filming for hours. Your storage fills up. Your battery drops. GoPro makes you aware of the problem. DJI lets you solve it quietly. That difference reduces stress. And stress kills creativity. Now let's talk about the faceless creator advantage. When your face isn't the hook, the footage is. Movement, flow, immersion. DJI footage feels immersive. GoPro footage feels cinematic. Both are powerful, but for different goals. Cinematic footage grabs attention fast. Immersive footage holds attention longer. And for long-form YouTube, retention wins. Now here's something important. GoPro Hero 13 shines in short-form, high-impact clips. Reels, TikToks, Shorts, DJI Osmo Action 6 shines in long-form storytelling. Travel documentaries, POV experiences, narrated journeys. If your goal is viral spikes, GoPro helps. If your goal is sustainable growth, DJI supports. Now let's talk about creator burnout. Most channels don't fail because of algorithms. They fail because creators quit. They quit because filming feels heavy. Editing feels painful. Gear feels unreliable. DJI reduces friction. And reducing friction keeps creators alive. Now consider audience perception. Most viewers don't know cameras. They know feeling. Does the footage feel smooth? Does it feel real? Does it feel trustworthy? DJI footage feels honest. GoPro footage feels dramatic. Honesty builds loyalty. Drama builds clicks. And long-term channels are built on loyalty. Now, let's address price psychology. People assume expensive equals better. That assumption has killed more channels than bad content. The best investment isn't the most powerful camera. It's the one you'll actually use daily. Now imagine 6 months from now. You look back at your uploads. Which camera helped you post consistently? Which one stayed charged? Which one didn't overheat? Which one didn't ruin footage? That answer matters more than launch day hype. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. GoPro is still chasing its legacy. DJI is building its future. GoPro wants to be the icon. DJI wants to be the tool. Icons inspire. Tools build. Now let's talk about failure rates. Not crashes. Not drops. Software hiccups. Freezes. Unexpected shutdowns. These moments don't make YouTube videos, but they make creators angry. DJI has fewer of these moments. And fewer moments of frustration equal more moments of creation. Now, think about scalability. Today, you're filming casually. Tomorrow, you're filming daily. Next year, you're outsourcing edits. DJI footage integrates easier into workflows. It's predictable, reliable. Predictability scales. Now, let's bring this home. There's no perfect camera. There's only the camera that matches your mindset. If you crave intensity, speed, brand recognition, GoPro Hero 13 feeds that hunger. If you crave calm creation, consistency, reliability, DJI Osmo Action 6 supports that discipline.